Hey YouTube, I'm gonna be doing a cut test today with my Gerber pocket knife that might have seen in my EDC video, but my dad gave it to me. Sorry, I gotta put the camera down for a second. I'm recording this on my phone, so I'm sorry for any bad quality or any bad lighting, cause I'm inside my room. I only got one light. Let me find my lamp. It's Crayola. This is a Gerber pocket knife that my dad gave to me a couple years ago. I was about 11 or 12 when he gave it to me. Let me see how I can do this. Alright, well, I'm actually holding it with my chin. See? So there you go, guys. That was my cut test on Gerber pocket knife. Let's see if I can pick up this paper. Shit, I might have messed up my bed. But yeah. So really sharp knife. I've been using it. I haven't sharpened it for a couple months now, maybe a couple weeks. But I'll sharpen it and I'll do an even better cut test after it's sharpened, so the paper could cut easily. It still cut through the paper, so you know it could get the job done. But I'm gonna need a sharper knife, and this shit would not do good. So yeah. Please subscribe and like and comment in the comments below.